Thank you for joining us by the web today. Let's meet the ROG Phone 5 with the world's leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform.
Just like the current ROG phone, we stuck to a very classy and subtle design. The ROG RGB logo has 2 lighting zones now for even more customizations, and surprise, there is a white version too. Our revamped Aero Active Cooler 5 now blows fresh air straight onto the center of the ROG Phone 5, right above the SoC. The ROG Phone 5 comes with the latest and greatest in OLED goodness. And on phones, displays aren't just for viewing, they're also the primary input method. We developed our own custom supercharged touchscreen system that clocks at an insane 300 Hz for super low input latency. The GameFX sound system on the ROG Phone 5 comes with dual 7-magnet speakers for nicely balanced stereo audio. Thanks to the now fully integrated 5G modem, which saves space, we were able to bring back the 3.5mm audio jack. Our latest AirTrigger 5 control system combines several input and control methods to achieve just that. ROG phones have a reputation for incredible stamina, and the 6000 mAh 22Wh monster battery in the ROG Phone 5 continues this tradition. Remember the Aero Active Cooler 5? There's even more to it. Besides improved cooling and performance, it also comes with a bottom-facing 3.5mm audio jack and a set of very nice clicky trigger buttons. And a kickstand too. There's another surprise we have for you today. Meet the ROG Phone 5 Pro. The ROG Phone 5 Pro comes with our ROG Vision second display. The ROG Vision display is fully customizable and can show a number of animations based on system events. The ROG Phone 5 Pro also comes with 2 extra buttons on the lower back of the phone. Together with the 2 trigger buttons on the top and the 2 buttons on the Aero Active Cooler 5, you get up to 6 buttons total. At launch, we're going to have various theme packs for the ROG Phone 5 series, with more coming in the future. Our ROG Cetra 2 active noise cancelling in-ear headphones. We have new LSR drivers for better audio, softer and more comfy silicone rubber tips and fins, and the mics are in each earbud now. So instead of talking into the inline remote, you can speak freely and naturally. The Cetra 2 come with USB Type-C, and there's a 3.5mm core version as well, and I'm really excited for this one. With a battery life of up to 45 hours, you'll make it through several days, if not an entire week, before having to charge it up. It has 3 active noise cancelling modes, plus our AI noise cancelling mic tech, so it's perfect for calls as well.
And we still have one more thing in store for you. Meet the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. It's the first ROG phone with a stunning white matte finish and streamlined patterns for a futuristic vibe. It is the world's first smartphone with 18GB of RAM. To show our appreciation and commemorate our journey together, we include an exclusive limited fan gift collection with ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. Keep following ROG to stay up to date with our latest innovations that deliver the best experiences to gamers everywhere.